Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need a valid RSS feed URL and a Spotify for Podcasters account. Once done, open Spotify for Podcasters and sign in. Make sure you verify ownership by email. Next, paste the feed URL into the submission field so Spotify can read your XML. You do this now because Spotify validates tags like title, description, item GUID, and enclosure URL. If those are clean, your feed will be accepted more quickly, and you'll avoid common parsing errors. You will now submit and inspect the feed details. After pasting the RSS, click Verify. Spotify fetches your XML and shows parsed metadata, review title, author, language, and explicit settings. Once verified, map episodes correctly. Ensure each item has a unique GUID and an enclosure tag with a valid audio MIME type. If Spotify reports errors, edit your host feed to fix unescaped characters or missing tags, then resubmit. This step prevents rejected submissions and keeps episode ordering intact. You finish by accepting Spotify's terms, selecting a category, and submitting the show. Once submitted, Spotify reviews and then lists your podcast. Make sure to watch email for confirmation. After listing, future episode additions are automatic. Spotify pulls new items from your RSS. If episodes don't appear, clear app cache, re-verify the feed URL, and confirm your host isn't using pagination that hides new items. One key troubleshooting tip: validate your XML in an RSS validator and fix any reported errors before resubmitting.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.